In this video, we know about the Bresenham Circle Algorithm. Okay. Before we start, in Bresenham line, we learn the Bresenham line is calculated using the decision parameter, right? Here also, we taking with the help of decision parameter, we calculating the pk values and incrementing the x and y value to make the circle. What is a circle? Circle is having a 8 quadrant octant. Okay, 4 quadrant, 8 octant. So how we have to calculate that, and how we take the x and y values with the basically a circle means we have a knowledge of x square plus y square equals to r square, right? So r is your radius. In this Bresenham circle, we taking the help of a formula that is pk equals to 3 minus 2 into r. That is r is represent the radius. With the distance of radius, we making a circle, right? It's a x and y value have with the radius value. What is the radius value is, that is a distance. It will make a similar circle, means the distance is same to the all the circle quadrant. Okay, 4 quadrant and 8 octant. So how we have to make symmetric to efficiently draw a circle. Bresenham is gives a symmetric to efficiently draw a circle. What is a symmetric means? Symmetric is nothing but a similarity. It's a mirror image of. Here we calculating the first octant, or you can say a first quadrant, first octet we calculating, and it will mirroring the and make the a circle. Means what is that meaning? It calculates and plot the pixels only for the first octant from 90 to 45 degrees. Okay. So where x increments and y decrements. Y for okay. Here x is incrementing and y is decrementing, or it will same as it a previous one. How it makes, and we will discuss in this video. Okay, Bresenham circle, how it helps to draw a circle. Circle exhibits 8 ways symmetric, right? So meaning of a point xy is on the circle, means where anywhere we want make a circle, means how we have to do. Here this is a xy coordinate. With this distance, okay, here the xy coordinates with the help of a radius r distance. With the distance we draw a circle like this, right? So what is symmetric means? We calculating the one quadrant value, and then with the help of this we making a circle. This is how this is mean a symmetric. A mirror images or mirror quadrant values will be reflected. So what is the then yx means this is a quadrant values. Okay, quadrant means 4 quadrants and 8 octant. 8 octant meaning is 8. Okay, for this first xy is a center, then it will be xy, yx, y minus of x, y minus of y, x minus y minus of x, x minus y minus of x, y. This is how the 8 octant will be related to the center. Okay. So this allows calculation for only one octant and then mirroring these points. This is how it looks. Okay, the circle will be made up of 4 quadrant. That is this is how the circle will be represented, right? So this is a figure of a circle, and with all the quadrant values. And here we take the this is a x plus y plus. Here this is a x value also plus 1 and y is plus 1. Here x is positive, y also a positive. Means this is a 90-degree, means the x will be increasing and y is decreasing, right? So for that we are mentioning this one. 90 to 45, this is your first quadrant, and here two octant are there, octant 1 2. Okay, here both the x and y are positive, right? Here x and y are x positive, y negative. Okay, this is my, I am mentioning the quadrant values x and y. Okay, here both x and y are negative. Okay, and in a fourth quadrant it's a x is negative and y is positive. This is how we taking the a quadrant. With the same we are changing the sign of a xy of a octant wise. Okay, this is give the 8 octant values of a xy coordinates. So how, what is the algorithm for creating or we draw a circle using a Bresenham? We'll next slide. So this is the algorithm. First what we have, first step is take the input of a circle, that is a radius, that is r, and a center of a x and center of y is taken. Initial value of x is 0 and y is equals to the radius value. Remember this one, this is a x and y value are defined. X is equals to 0 because here we start with the first octant. For that, a circle x and y, x is equals to 0 and y is a value is equals to the what we taking the radius value. That is your x value is 0 for initial and y is equals to r. So what is the next step? We have to plot the x plus x of c. X of c and y of c is nothing but a center of a x coordinate and y coordinates value. Okay. Now, next, what is how we have to calculate the decision parameter using this formula? Pk equals to 3 minus 2 into r. Okay. So, starter looping means if pk value is less than 0, then how we have to find out the next pk value? That is a pk plus 1 equals to pk plus 4x plus 6. Here increment of x is plus 1 and y is same as a previous one. Okay, now plot with the x plus x1 comma y plus yc or y1, that is center. Else pk is greater, then how we have to calculate the next pk value? That is a pk plus 1 equals to pk plus 4 into x minus y plus of 10. This is when the pk is positive. Okay, so we incrementing the x and y. X will be incremented by 1 and y is decremented by 1. Means xn equals xn nothing but your next x value, x plus 1 is equals to x plus 1 yn, or we say y I plus 1 equals to y minus 1. This is a condition when pk is greater than 0 or a positive. In the condition of a negative pk value, we just incrementing the x value by 1 and y is taken as a previous value. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, when we have to stop this one, when the algorithm has stopped, where it continue until the x and x is getting the greater value than the y. Okay, this condition will be, if this condition is satisfied, means your circle has been drawn. Okay, this condition means x is greater than or equals to y. That means it will find out in the quadrant values. Means a circle with a we getting the this first octant values. So it will repeated to the similar and mirroring the all the quadrant values to form a circle. Okay. Now once it reach the this condition, it will stop the loop.